Hello everyone, welcome to Crush Your Blood Sugar Challenge with Susan Fawemi using the WOW diet. These are proven, tested recipes that has worked for me because I myself have struggled with high blood sugar for over 10 years now, and by the grace of God, the Holy Spirit showed me this recipe that I'm sharing with you right now, and I've been able to stabilize, and I'm in the process of reversing my high blood sugar. Now let's get right into it. Now I'll be showing you some of the recipes that we'll be needing to start this challenge. Now we have green that is also known as efotete. So you can get it in the local market here. And we'll have cabbage. So for this first recipe, we'll be blending both our green and our cabbage together with ginger. Now that will be a juice that you drink in the morning. And that's not all. We also need chia seed. Your chia seed. So what we'll be doing now, we'll blend the green, cabbage, ginger first. So I'll be doing that now. So I'm going to blend. I'm going to blend just a handful. Then I'll put the cabbage too, a handful. So we'll be extracting the juice from this. So I'm going to add water to it. So I've finished blending the green and the cabbage. So I'm going to be sieving it out now. So I have my sieve. So just pour it through a sieve. So just sieve the water out. So pour it into a cup like this. So it's like a green juice. Then the next thing you do is to add a spoon of chia seed. Add it into it. So I'll use, then mix it. Just leave it for like 10 minutes so that the chia seed will soak and swell. So you can take this in the morning. Take this in the morning before your meal. So maybe you're eating around 12. You can take this around like 10. So you take this and wait till you eat your meal. Now the meal you're going to eat, I'm going to make it with the shaft I got from the blend from this. So this is the shaft. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to squeeze out all the water from it. You can run it through a cheesecloth so that it will be a bit dry. So I'm going to run it through my sieve again, so that I'll have less water in it. Now I struggled with high blood sugar after I gave birth to my second child, because at that time I didn't even know I had that condition. Because my mistake though, I wasn't going for antenatal. I just used to go see the doctor the next day because I just felt because I've given birth before. What are they going to tell me again? I don't know. I didn't know I was doing myself the harm. So I wasn't going to antenatal. I just used to go and see the doctor the next day. If I was going to antenatal, they would have tested my urine and they would have detected that I had high blood sugar. But that aside, thank God for healing through this recipe. I've been off my drugs for over a month now, and my sugar has been stabilized by just eating this way. So the next thing I'm going to do, this is my shaft that I got from blending. So I'm going to crack 2 eggs into it. Now just whisk the eggs and the shaft from your blended cabbage and green, and tete in particular. So I'm going to add salt, just a big pinch of salt, and add a bit of pepper. I want it to be a bit spicy. So whisk it, let it incorporate. Now I'm going to be using coconut oil. It's advised that if you're struggling with high sugar, go for coconut oil rather than the normal oil. But I still use normal oil to do other things. But when I'm preparing my special diet, I use coconut oil. So I'll just pour a bit inside. And incorporate it. So you can also add seasoning if you want to, but for this one I don't want to add. Then I'll add just a 1/4 spoon of Ceylon oats. Ceylon oats can be gotten from people that sell, I think you might go in the pharmacy or people that sell organic products. So just blend it together. So the next thing I'll be frying it on a fry pan. Okay, so this is what the pancake looks like. So what I do, I make my own, beverage. So I use cocoa powder, full cream milk, and stevia or dates powder. So I make this and take with my pancake to make a healthy breakfast. I'd like you to subscribe, share to your friends or family members that are struggling with high blood sugar to help them stabilize and start living a healthy life even without drugs. Now you also need to get a glucometer if you don't have one, so that you can monitor your blood sugar, so you can at least know your fasting blood sugar, and probably at night if you can. You will find that this will drastically reduce your blood sugar and keep it stabilized for a long period, and your pancreas will begin to heal as you go along. Now this is for the breakfast. So you take, this is the juice I made earlier, so you take this around maybe 10 or even earlier if you're an early eater. But if you're struggling with high blood sugar, you shouldn't eat that early. Give some time so your pancreas can rest before you eat again. So you take this maybe around 10 and use the shaft you get from this to make your pancake. Then take it around 12 with your beverage. So just make it more healthier than just drinking other brands. Thank you.